Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to look at how to transcribe a YouTube video to text. Sometimes you might be watching a video from your favorite YouTube channel, and sometimes you might would like to have the text from the video. For instance, I just opened my YouTube channel and I have some videos, but how do I get the text out of this video? So let me just open one of the videos. For instance, with this video you can see that the video audio.
Hello,
works.
welcome to my
Alright.
YouTube channel.
Yes.
So in today's video we're going to look at how
to get
to
the text out of this. So to get the text out of it, the simplest way to get this is to go to the button here. So with the one with the three dots, so you click on it and then you click on show transcript. So you click on show transcript and it comes with a timestamp and then the English translation. So how do you work with this? You just have to copy. So you drag it from here and then you copy up to the end of the okay, you do it slowly. Okay, so you copy it to the end and then Control C, everything is copied, and then I would use a notepad. You could paste it in Word, you could paste it anywhere, but I decided to use the notepad. So you could just copy and paste it here and that is it. You have the whole English version of this video. So you could do the same to motivational videos or any interesting speech you like to copy from YouTube. It's just as simple as this. Thank you so much for watching my video. If it's really helped you, please do well to like, comment below, and do well to subscribe. Thank you so much and see you again. Bye.